Good afternoon, class, especially 8 and 9. Unit matter, part 4. Continue. Question number 1. Mention some advantages of the modern periodic table as stated by Henry Moseley. The advantages, benefits, or advantages of the modern periodic table are as follows. Modern periodic table पढिसकेपछि के फाइदा छ त भन्दा नम्बर 1 it helps to study the properties of the elements more systematically as they are arranged in different groups, subgroups, and periods on the basis of increasing atomic numbers. Atomic number is more fundamental, more important than atomic weight. Atomic weight भन्दा atomic number मा राखेको हुन्छ, त्यसले गर्दा स्टडी गर्न more scientific, more systematic हुन्छ. Number 2, elements are grouped into 4 subcells S, P, D, F. Not only K element, so it makes the study more scientific and systematic. Number 3, hydrogen is placed in group 1A instead of 7A. Although hydrogen is a non-metal, but it behaves as a metal. So hydrogen is kept along with the alkali metals like lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium, rubidium, francium. हाइड्रोजनलाई ग्रुप 1A मा राखिएको छ. पहिला 7A मा थियो, अहिले 1A मा राखिएको छ. Number 4, isotopes, lanthanides and actinides are properly placed. In Mendeleev's periodic table, they are not given proper place, but in the modern periodic table, isotopes, lanthanides and actinides are properly placed. Isotopes, atoms of the same elements having the same atomic number but different atomic weight. Proton same, neutron different हुन्छ. Lanthanides, elements from atomic number 57 to 71. Actinides, elements, group of elements from atomic number 90 to 103. They are properly placed. Question number 2. Define the following terms. Number 8. Reactants and products. जसले केमिकल रियाक्सनमा रियाक्सन गर्छ, केमिकल इक्वेसनमा रियाक्सनमा भाग लिन्छ, त्यसलाई रियाक्टेन्ट्स. त्यो रियाक्टेन्ट्सले रियाक्सन गरेर बनेको चिज चाहिँ प्रोडक्ट्स हो. हामी प्रोडक्ट भयो भन्छौँ नि, फ्याक्ट्रीको प्रोडक्टहरू भन्छौँ नि, प्रोडक्ट बाई प्रोडक्ट त्यसलाई भन्छ. The reacting substances are called reactants just by their names. The substances formed after a chemical reaction are called products. Generally, left side, reactants are written on the left side and products are written on the right side. Sometimes two or more reactants make one product. Sometimes one reactant gives two or more products. कहिलेकाहीँ दुई वा दुईभन्दा बढी रियाक्टेन्ट्सबाट एउटा प्रोडक्ट, कहिलेकाहीँ एउटा प्रोडक्ट एउटा रियाक्टेन्टबाट दुई वा दुईभन्दा बढी प्रोडक्ट्सहरू निस्किन्छ. सोडियम प्लस क्लोरिन, सोडियम क्लोराइड. Here sodium and chlorine are reactants. Sodium chloride is a product. सोडियम र क्लोरिनलाई रियाक्टेन्ट्स भनिन्छ, रियाक्सन गर्ने भएर त्यसबाट बनेको सब्स्टेन्स सोडियम क्लोराइड product. Here water ionizes or decomposes into hydrogen and oxygen. So water is a reactant, whereas hydrogen and oxygen are two products. Question number 2A, reactants and products. Another is molecular weight. Atomic weight already finished. Now molecular weight with example. Molecular weight with example. Question number B, 2B, molecular weight. Molecular weight with example. What is molecular weight? एउटा मोलिकुलमा सबै एटमको वेटलाई सम गऱ्यो भने त्यसलाई मोलिकुलर वेट भनिन्छ. द सम अफ वेट weights of atoms present in a molecule is called molecular weight. Is the molecular weight of the substance. It is more clear by giving an example. For example, I give one example: calcium carbonate. See, how to find the molecular weight? To find the molecular weight, calcium, carbon, and oxygen. There are 3 elements. There are 3 take 3 elements: calcium, carbon, and oxygen. See, calcium यसको के गरे भन्दा क्याल्सियमको 20 को 40 हुन्छ. 20 प्रोटन 20 न्यूट्रन. कार्बनको 6 को 12 प्लस अक्सिजनको 3 into 16 यो जोड्दा 52 plus 48 100 AMU is the molecular weight of calcium carbonate. In the same way, you can find the molecular weight of other substances. Another H2O. What is the molecular weight? Here, molecular weight of water. यसलाई के गर्ने 2 को 2 1 गर्ने, no neutron. Oxygen को 8 को 16 18 AMU atomic mass unit. 18 atomic mass unit. So molecular weight is the sum of weights of all the atoms present in a molecule. Calcium, carbon, oxygen. यसमा hydrogen and oxygen. Since we are studying class 8, it is better to study the elements. Question number 3, some elements. Some elements, they are English names, chemical names or Latin names, symbol and valency. I am going to write down from few. A number, hydrogen. No, the symbol is valency 1. B, helium. Helium He, valency 0. C, lithium. No Latinum, Li, valency 1. Valency decreases, increases, decreases and increases. D, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium. Beryllium. Beryllium, no Latin name, Be, valency 2. Boron, no Latin name, B, valency 3. Carbon, no Latin name, C, 4. After carbon, nitrogen, no N, sometimes 3, sometimes 5. Oxygen, no Latin name, O, valency 2, is I. After oxygen, fluorine, Fluorin, fluorine, F1. यो 1 देखि 20 सम्म सिरियली लेखाइदिने, त्यसपछि अरु बाँकी रहेको अरु पनि पढिन्छ. जसले गर्दा विद्यार्थीलाई पढ्न सजिलो होस्. You find it much easier. Fluorine, neon, no Latin name, Ne, valency 0. हाइड्रोजन, हिलियम, लिथियम, बेरिलियम, बोरन, कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, oxygen, fluorine, neon. They are four. J. Ten elements. Can you learn yourself? Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. There is a technique also. You can use that technique or read by heart. You can यसलाई लेखेर पढ्यो भने आउँछ. GIJ के हिलियम, सोडियम, Platinum, natrium. Since platinum is natrium, Na valency 1. Sodium, natrium भएको हुनाले Na भयो, not SO. SO, SD, SU, SM के पनि हुँदैन. IJKL. Sodium, magnesium or magnesium, no Latin name, Mg valency 2. KLM. Aluminium, no Latin name, Al3. KLMNOPQRSTU. After aluminium, silicon, no Latin name, Si4. O, phosphorus. Spelling, see, phosphorus P, sometimes 3, sometimes 5. After phosphorus, sulfur. No Latin name is 246. 3 valency. Sulfur, chlorine. No Latin name, Cl valency 1. Chlorine, argon. Argon, Ar valency 0. After argon, potassium. Potassium, calcium, K1. Calcium. No Latin name, Ca2. There are some others like scandium, STB, titanium, vanadium, etc. But all are not necessary. I am going to write down some few. Iron, ferrum, Fe23. It means iron, ferrum, Fe23. Ferrous 2, ferric 3. Ferrous र फेरिक भनेर त्यहाँ दिएको हुन्छ. फेरस फेरिक. फेरस 2, फेरिक 3. STU. Then V. ल्याटिन नेम पनि छ. V. Copper. Copper, cuprum, Cu12. Cuprous, cupric. STUV, W, X, Y, Z, ZA, ZB, ZC. Copper. After copper, write zinc. No Latin name, Zn2. After zinc, fluorine, chlorine, bromine. Bromine, not bromine. Br valency 1. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Iodine, no Latin name, I valency 1. Silver, चाँदी, argentum. Argentum, Ag valency 1. Argentum भएको हुनाले त्यसको भ्यालेन्सी Ag भयो. यो सिल्भरलाई SiSl SR लेखिँदैन. आर्गेन्टमको आर्गेन्टम Ag लेखिन्छ. सिल्भर पछि गोल्ड. गोल्ड ल्याटिन नेम औरम, Au 1 or 3. Zb गोल्ड. मर्क्युरी. मर्क्युरी हाइड्रागिरम. हाइड्रागिरम Ag12. मर्क्युरस मर्क्युरी. अब मर्क्युरी पछि लिड. ल्याटिन नेम प्लम्बम. प्लम्बम Pb24 ZD. अब लिएपछि अब टिन स्ट्यानम SN24. प्लम्बस यसलाई टिन स्ट्यानस स्ट्यानिक. लिडको प्लम्बिक. मर्क्युरी हाइड्रागिरम मर्क्युरस मर्क्युरिक. गोल्ड औरम AU13 औरस औरिक. आर्गेन्टम 1 आइडिन 1 सबै 111. See, some examples of. See, I'm going to write down some compounds. These compounds are also very useful. Question number 3. Some compounds. Compounds have no valency, but you can write compounds. Some compounds, not all compounds. English names, Latin or chemical names, molecular formulae. If you learn this, it is better. A number, water is very important. Water is hydrogen oxide, hydrogen monoxide, or hydrogen oxide H2O. It's better to write down. Common salt, khane nun. It is called sodium chloride NaCl. Or natrium chloride also, you can say natrium chloride. C number, ammonia. Nitrogen trihydride, here not necessary, NH3. Acid base salt, which I will write in that chapter. Some lime is quick lime. Calcium oxide CaO. Lime water, calcium hydroxide CaOH. यो 2 यहाँ राखेर हुन्छ, यसलाई होल ब्राकेट राखेर गरिन्छ. लाइमस्टोन सुनढुङ्गा, लाइमस्टोन और मार्बल क्याल्सियम कार्बोनेट CaCO3. It is better to study these elements. They are very helpful for the future and for DLE or BLE examination. Class 7-8 पढ्नको लागि विद्यार्थीको लागि. Next time I will teach you how to draw atomic structure on the basis of KLMN. KLMN को आधारमा कसरी इलेक्ट्रोनिक कन्फिगरेसन बनाउने भनेर नेक्स्ट लेसनमा पढाइ हुनेछ.